So this planter up on the hill, I plan to take it down and restore it. It's sustained some damage in the last couple of years. So what we want to do is make it pretty again. But the first thing I need to do is remove the soil from it. Alright, now upon inspection, you can see where it got some rot on the legs, and all 4 of them have that, so we'll be taking these off and replacing them. So y'all know the deal. We're gonna sand, and I let y'all see the worst side of it, see how good it turns out. Starting out with 80 grit sandpaper. I'm just gonna finish the rest of the sanding off camera because that is really boring. I just wanted to let y'all know how just plainly sanding something can bring the luster back out and restore your piece of furniture. Let's determine our height. I want it to hit about right here. So let's see how many inches I need to cut my legs for that. So that's about 38 inches. And then we're gonna subtract 2.5 inches for the wheels that I'll put on it later. All right, y'all, so what we're looking for is the wet look, all right? And it goes on cloudy, but of course it's gonna dry clear. This is cedar, and that's pine. It's gonna look a little different, okay? All right, I'm gonna put the second coat on now.